Great day, great day. This Trader Reg here, Thursday, early grand rising is 8:10 as we getting close to the market popping off here. We're gonna go through a quick market review, quick market update from the last couple of days. Market has continued to try to push higher as expected, and I believe we still have a little bit more room to go. We're gonna see how the market reacts today. Maybe goes up and then comes down all in this day, and that could be that could start up at the next move, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. We're gonna do our diligence, our due diligence that is needed. I will be doing a series on my other channel, Laws of Living, on due diligence and how we can apply it in our lives, how I am applying it in my lives right now as as I look at and examine all areas of my life, which we all should be doing. So let's get into it. Let's see how things are looking. This is your SPY, your S&P, and it is nothing spectacular about this thing. It is ugly. Again, everything we talk about here is for educational purposes only. Okay, so if you need advice or don't know what to do right now, please seek a qualified advisor that is has license to give you proper advice. Okay, everything we talk about here is educational purposes only. So we can see we had the two major gap downs here. Bam, bam. Those are pretty powerful gaps. Breakaway, runaway. Boom. We continue down. We made a low of 362, and then we gapped up yesterday. Not 2 days ago, I'm sorry. We had a high here at 369. The lows of these two candles is 371 and 370. So you can see that that gap, which is a common gap, is still intact. Okay, it's still in play. And until if we go into the red today, we should fill that gap. But there's a chance, and I believe, for us to pop above this 20-day, I mean, it's a T line at 378. It seems to be holding these 2 days. Boom, boom. You can see right up to it. Bam, failed. Right, yesterday failed. If we cannot get over this 378 today, I believe that could be the end of the move. We could trade sideways a little bit more. Because again, I would like this 20-day moving average to come closer to where the stock market is trading. Okay, we can achieve that by trading up a little bit and sideways. If we go lower, then yes, we can go a lot lower from here. But then again, we're going to have a snapback rally one day. You're going to wake up and it's going to be a huge setup to go higher. All right. I do see higher prices into this gap here. I would like to see this gap filled. And what I mean by filled, what I mean by it is that once the stock trades up and it takes out the low of this candle, the high of this candle, and fills this void here, that is called filling the gap. Most gaps will be filled, not all gaps, but most gaps will be filled on a chart at some point. Okay, it doesn't have to happen right away, but at some point it will. We go look at our Qs, which is used as the tech market. You can also use /NQ as it's the futures of the market, but it still gives you a point idea. You can see here the Qs went above the T line. Actually was getting a little closer to 20 yesterday, but then failed. So we would like to see some follow through that, and it is trying to fill this gap. Now, as it fills this gap, it obviously has a gap here. I don't believe this gap could be filled right now. It will be filled eventually in the future, but I don't think we're gonna get there. We definitely could. I have the charting system. We definitely could, but I believe that it could fail right in here. And that can happen all within a day's time. So that's just something to look at. Some people's favorite stocks like Apple popped up yesterday, then came down. This is where you have to have patience as a trader, and you have to just allow the charts to work. If you see in a reversal like we've been talking about, you can see the light volume, but this was a key volume bar to tell me that there were some buyers trying to creep in. This stock is attempting to get back to the 20 to 141. Google. And again, what I'm looking to do, as you see, Google's already back at the 20, it's right on the 20 as of early today. It's going to pop. It's already up 20 points, probably about 17 points in that pre-market. So it's going to look to pop up here and try to get back above and start trading back into this range here, up near 2,300. So those are Amazon. Same thing, trying to work back above its 20. It may try to go back up there today. The 20 is at 113. May attempt to get there today again and try to get above it. So we're gonna just keep an eye on this because, again, once you get near this 20, it's kind of interesting to see what the market is doing and what everything looks like, because the trend is still down and we can still look to be able to short this market. But it might be an opportunity. You never know where it's turned into something more bullish. We will find out at that point. Trying to look at some of these other stocks. OIH, which is an oil producer, service company. You can see it had a huge move down. I know they're talking about this gas tax and stuff like that and doing something with it. So OIH has been getting hammered at the top there. 317 is down to 229, almost 100 points in over a week and a half. So we're gonna look to maybe that could come back up here and have a snapback. Look how far it's away from the 20. I'm expecting a snapback. We'll see. We should get back up into this 280 area if it snaps back, or maybe right in this area here. But those are 1, 2. That's your levels. One here. So I expect a little bounce there. I'm not gonna look at too many more. It's kind of what, this is a very critical time to see what happens in the market. I prefer people that especially haven't traded that much to be on the sidelines and kind of wait for it to give clear direction. Because you are still in a downtrend. You do still have a downtrend intact. Once it pops up, you should look to for opportunities where you can actually short. That's one strategy you can do. Or you can catch this counter trend rally moving higher until it fades out. But again, you can also get caught up that way too. So let's take our time. Let's do our due diligence today. Let's have a great day. Great trading day. You can join us in our Discord, private Discord. You can email me at support@covenantseed education.com, and we can get you hooked up to get into the Discord channel. You got any other questions? Give me a call. Give me an email. Sorry, shoot me an email, and we will help you out from there. Everybody have a great day. I'll be back later today with another update. And again, don't forget about the series on diligence that will start to be posted for the other channel, Laws of Living. Everybody have a wonderful, awesome day. And I look forward to doing it. Remember, you are the end consumer. You are the end user. So you make things happen. So be diligent in what you do. Have fun. Enjoy. Have a great day.